Yo, what's going on, guys? We got a brand new pickup right here. Just got delivered yesterday. Decided to do a video today because I was pretty tired last night. When I got home from work, I was able to take a look at them. I wasn't too impressed by them when I got them in hand, but then when I started lacing them up, they just looked too buttery and clean, dude. So let's get right into the review. It's gonna be a quick, short one. Show you about the details, quality, craftsmanship, and overall, you know, the sizing and all that stuff. So hopefully some outfit ideas as well. I'm not too sure. So we'll get right into the box right here. The shoes I am talking about is the Aime Dore 993s. They released two colorways, right? They released this taupe colorway. Oh, sorry, I kicked the camera. This taupe colorway was like purple, blue, and like white. It looked kind of funky. Apparently that's a more secret one, so it limited kind of quantities of that colorway. I know a lot of people were able to hit on this one. I was able to hit on this one, luckily. They drew my name in. They were like, you win, buddy. And I was like, finally, I'm winning in life. So getting right into the box, it's like in this army green box right here. Yellow Aime Dore branding on the side here as well. I like this, like the quality and heftiness of this box. If you ever had the previous jams, it's like the same exact box. Man, I really like that. I really like it. It came with extra laces. So it came with these brown, and then there's brown and green laces. So it's like a mixture of brown and green. Pretty dope, to be honest. It matches the shoe very well. I'm not putting those in because I like the contrast of what I already have on there. So let's just show you the shoes because they're pretty freaking buttery, man. Pretty freaking buttery. All right. So I was only able to manage to tie one of them because I was like, I got to see how they look like tied, because, you know, they look kind of funky when they're not tied. So let's get right into this stuff. Boom. We got the Panda Express Beef and Broccolis by ALD, the 993s. These are clean and buttery, dude. I'm telling you. It's a good mixture of colorways. Apparently it's a derivative, or like drew inspiration from this old Timberland boot thing. I'm not too sure. I'm not from New York, even though I'm wearing the hat. I don't know, dude. I'm sorry. So yeah, it draws inspiration from that. It has the same exact colorway, and I think like a little bit of the same color blocking. So yeah, man, super buttery. Let's just show the right shoe right here. I love it. I love that the insole is just Aime Dore right there, and it's not the, you know, screen printed one where it just runs out after like 3 wears. I hate those ones, and it's like stitched on there pretty cleanly. So I like the way that looks a lot. And Aime Dore hits on the back heel as well. Pretty subtle on that one. The quality is really nice, and the craftsmanship, little to no glue stains on mine, unless I did it when I saw this shoe. You know what I mean, you know the vibes. But man, these are beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. I was pretty iffy on whether I should keep these, but seeing them laced up like this, I should take out this stupid thing, but I don't know whether or not to sell it. So man, these are beautiful. I like the way that they did the whole sole black rather than the two-tone look. Because I do have a pair of 993s, the regular gray ones, and it's like a two-tone look. I do like the 992s a little bit better, but man, I do wear the 993s a lot. They're very comfortable. I do everything in them. I go get the groceries, go walk around, go yell at my neighbor or something, you know? There you go. Fire. New Balance hit on the tongue right here. Regular New Balance stuff as well. This is pretty normal. You've seen these already. Black outsole. Man. Good clean pair of shoes, and they smell clean, they smell nice. So there you go. I recommend going half a size down on all made in USA pairs of New Balances, because I do have the regular pair. I ordered like my regular size in them, and there's like this much toe room. So if you want to like Snug Fit, definitely go to half size down, depending if you have wider feet or not. So if you have like ginormous freaking clompers, stay true to size. But you don't, not to single anybody out here. I'm just saying, definitely go half size down. Let's just show you on the feet, and that is the review of the 993 Aime Dore New Balances. Let me know you guys gonna keep them, drop them. You think they ugly? You think they just fire? So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.